I'm using this yarn here, it's a chenille yarn that has a little sparkle to it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it shines. And it's a really nice yarn, it's really soft. It goes really soft on the machine. It has 210 meters for 100 grams, okay? And I'm using here 5 needles on my panel mold to make some yarn. As you can see, there's a lot of yarn already, and I'm making jumbo yarn. So this took me around 2 hours to make all this. There are 2 rows, okay, so 420 meters. And I'm gonna show you soon how many meters of yarn I got from this, okay? This is the way you work. It's just really making a little panel. And so that's how you do it. And that's how it comes out from the machine. So because it curls, it looks like jumbo yarn. And what I like about using these big machines to do that is, first, because you can use any size machine you have at home to make some yarn. And secondly, because it's just easier to hold. Like, I have the addi egg as well, and you can be using the addi egg for this as well. You would get the same results, probably a little bit less yarn because I have 5 stitches only. And that's another reason why I like to make my jumbo yarn here, is because instead of 6 needles I'm using 5, so I make more yarn out of each row. I'm gonna finish to do this, and then I'm gonna show you the project that I have in my head to make with this finger knitting. So I removed the yarn from my center knitting machine, and that's what I have now. I used 420 meters of yarn to make 25 meters.